Hey guys, today we're gonna replace the driver's side window track on this '08 Subaru Outback. If this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button? It really helps me out a lot. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, I got a little screwdriver here. Stick it in this thing right here. Just kind of pry, and that just pops out like that. Next thing we gotta do is take off this door handle, which you're gonna feel like this thing's gonna break, but you just gotta really pull on this thing to get it to pop off. There's 3 different clips in here that you have to basically just get to pop out. All right, this is what it looks like when you've got it off. You can see there's 3 clips there. You'll want to pry from the top out like this because there's this little tab down here, and when you put it back in, slide that tab in first and then snap it back in. All right, now we need to take out this screw here, the screw that's up into here, and this screw right here. All right, now we need to go around the door and just pry the door panel out. I've already gone around and pried it out. Just stick like a putty knife or something in here that you can pry. You can see right here, there's these little tabs that you just have to pop out all around the bottom of the door. And then we can also take this off here. Makes things a little easier. Just kind of pull it like this. There we go. And then we can lift up on the door panel here. All right, after your door panel's popped off, unhook this clip right here. Just push this little tab in and push out, and it'll pop right out. Then we're gonna unhook this regulator tab over here. Just got a little button right here by my thumb. Push that in, and you can pull this out, and then your door panel will pop off. It's still gonna be connected by these, but you just kind of lay it off to the side. Now we need to pull this plastic back. This is just held on by this black goop. I'm gonna make a little cut right here so that I can just swing this whole plastic piece over here, and we'll have full access to everything behind here. All right, now you need to unhook the motor clip right here. So just push in this tab and pull out. Now we need to take out this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. Loosen this bolt. Don't take it all the way out. Loosen it so you can slide this up and out through that hole. And then take off this nut and this nut. And then you can see right here, I've got the window down a little bit so you can see this, but take off this nut right here. And then there's another nut right there. Take off that nut too. That's a 10 mil. These are all 10 millimeter. So take all those out. Be careful not to let the window drop down on you when you take out this nut here and this nut. So I would take off these ones first, and then go to these, and then you can take this part out, the bottom hole down here. All right, so we've got all of our hardware taken out, the nuts up here taken out. So I'm just gonna take this out, just pop that down. Window stays pretty well by itself. And then you can lift this up, kind of twist it out. Kind of gotta jimmy this a little bit to get it to come out. There we go. And then you can put your new one in. Okay, so this is one thing you can do if you're having trouble and you feel like you need to adjust the window motor or something like that to a new position when you're putting it back together. Just hook up your regulator again, and then you can move it up and down or whatever. Just keep your hands clear of anything in here, and make sure your plug Just be careful not to rip your plug off or anything when stuff starts moving. Just move stuff really slow and careful if you can. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Help me out in that way. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And have a good one.